What is happening, everybody? If you want to see what this trade, how I took it, the best strategy to make 30 ticks, $300 or so in just a matter of a few seconds, stay tuned because that was a beautiful trade. Here's some examples of stacking gains. Here's Mondays. Here's Tuesdays. Wednesday, I was out and wasn't able to be here. But on Thursday, here's my profits. That's today. Here we go. It's the 359 candle. Let's see if we're gonna take this thing to the downside. I kind of want to, but I'm just not. Yeah, I'm going right there. Oh no, I was late. I was late. I should have been already in this. Oh my goodness, my copy trader's not working, and it's gonna go make a new high. Nope, come on down. Come on down. That's fine. That was a funded account for $300. Thank you very much. Bottom tick that thing. Look at there. Here we go. Hey, check back in again. Keep track. Beautiful trading. Until next time, this is BK, and I'm out.